Hello everyone and welcome to Bubli's World Cuisine. This is a cheesecake which I have made in the microwave in just 1 minute. And the best thing is this is a keto diet friendly cheesecake which if you are gluten intolerant you can also enjoy. It's a super simple recipe and quick and easy. So let's get started. First thing first, we need some melted butter and some ramekins. Now these are not actually ramekins but I'm going to use them. So I have some unsalted melted butter here, and I'm brushing the sides and the bottom of my ramekins so that the cheesecake doesn't stick to it. Now, once you are done brushing, you want to take a bowl. It's a one bowl mixing, and I love it. I have 130 gram of cream cheese here. You want to make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature, very important. And then you just wanna break the lumps and make it a creamy consistency. Once that's done, we will add our next ingredient, which is one whole egg. I'm using a large egg, and you want to make sure that your egg is at room temperature. So everything should be at room temperature. And now what I'm trying to do is incorporate everything together. It's easier if I use a whisk. I don't know why I was using a spatula, but now I have a whisk. And first, it might seem that it's not going to incorporate well, but within a minute, it will be something like this. Now we want to add our next ingredients. I have 2 tablespoons of plant-based sweetener here and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, if you're not on a diet or you want to use regular sugar, you can obviously do that. Instead of plant-based sweetener, you can use 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now, mixing is all done. Let's set it aside and take the ramekins or whatever bowl you want to use for making the cheesecake. The amount of ingredients I have used today, it will give me 2 cheesecakes. So I'm gonna divide the batter into 2 ramekins. And as we have brushed them with some grease, they are not going to stick to the bottom or to the sides. After pouring the mixture, I just like to level the top. It's not important, you can skip that. Now they're gonna go to the microwave and you wanna put them on the center and don't put two at the same time, just go one by one. And in my microwave, it takes a minute, but it can vary anytime from 1 minute, 1 minute to 1 minute 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, my cheesecake is all done. Done means the microwave part is done, and I want to show you how it looks like. So both of them are done, and the center will be teeny tiny bit wobbly. That's absolutely fine. It's not ready to eat yet. You want to cool them completely. And once they are cooled down, it's ideal to put some sort of wrap on top because cheesecake has a tendency to shrink. So I have put some cling film on top, and now they will go to the refrigerator for a couple of hours to set. After the wait is over, you want to take a butter knife or something to loosen the sides. Okay, it's the moment of truth, and my cheesecake came out almost perfect, but don't worry about the top if it's a little bit broken. You have to understand that this is a keto cheesecake, which doesn't have any graham crackers crust to it, so it can be a little bit not looking very nice. I have put some raspberries on top to hide my uneven top and also some powdered sweetener. So this is my 1 minute microwave keto cheesecake. It tastes great and this is how the inside looks like. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Enjoy your cheesecake and this is a guilt-free one if you're on a diet. Take care, and if you have any questions, you can put them on the comment box below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and bye for today.